Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about the opioid analgesics and antagonists. So what are the opioids? The term opioid refers to all agonists and antagonists with morphine-like activity, as well as the naturally occurring and synthetic opioid peptides. So what is analgesics? Analgesic means relieving pain. The pain is a sensation of discomfort which occurs whether any tissue are being damaged. This is very important topic of the central nervous system. So pain is a sensation of discomfort which occurs whether any tissues are being damaged. The factors are peripheral factors and central factors. In case of peripheral factors, the opioids are histamine, serotonin, bradykinin, prostaglandins, and in central factors, enkephalins and endorphins. These are the examples of naturally occurring opioids. So the history of the opioids or analgesics are the opium. Opium is the source of a crude opium from which Sertiner in 1803 isolated the pure alkaloid morphine, named after Morpheus, the Greek god of dreams. What are the opioids act? Where do opioids act? On the CNS, more especially on three main classes of opioid receptors. Number one, mu, number two, kappa, number three is delta. Now, the question is arise that which drugs called opioid analgesics? The drugs which obtained from opium, semi-synthetic derivatives from opium, or synthetic surrogates, opioid-like drugs which actions are blocked by naloxone. It is the antagonist of the opioids. Endogenous opioid peptides, enkephalin, endorphins, all are collectively known as opioid analgesics. Are the drugs which are called opioid analgesics. Now, opioid analgesics and antagonists are naturally opium alkaloids, and natural opium alkaloids are morphine, codeine, and thebin. And semi-synthetic opium derivatives are diacetyl morphine, hydrocodone, dihydrocodone, oxymorphine. synthetic opium substitute, mepridine, methadone, phenazocin, and opium antagonists are, these are the opium antagonists, naloxone, naltrexone, and nalmefene. These are the antagonists of the opioids. Opioid analgesics and antagonists are divided into the three groups: strong agonist, moderate agonist, mixed agonist. In strong opioid analgesics are morphine, fentanyl, mepridine, heroin, methadone, dufentanyl. In case of moderate agonists are codeine, profoxifene, propoxyphene. These are the moderate type of the agonist. And in mixed type of agonist are buprenorphine, azocin. These are the mixed type of the agonist. As you know that the antagonists are naloxone and naltrexone. Pharmacokinetics of the opioid analgesics. Most of the opioids analgesics are well absorbed when given by subcutaneously, intramuscular, or oral. So, pharmacokinetics of the opioid analgesics are, most opioid analgesics are well absorbed from subcutaneous, intramuscular, or oral. Some opioids used by nasal insufflations, lozenges, lollipops, or transdermal pens. Morphine has higher first pass effect. Morphine is the prototype of the opioid analgesic. This is the prototype of the drug. Codeine and oxycodone have reduced first pass effect. All opioids bind to plasma proteins localized in higher concentration in tissues like brain, lungs, liver, kidney, and spleen. In skeletal muscles is less concentration. The metabolism of the opioids is morphine is conjugated to morphine 3 glucocorticoid M3G and morphine 6 glucuronide M6G. And hydromorphine conjugated to hydromorphone 3 glucuronide. Diacetyl morphine hydrolyzed to monoacetyl morphine and then to morphine. Mepridine demethylated to mepridine and non-mepridine metabolites. And fentanyl not metabolized to active metabolite. Codeine and oxycodone convert to greater potent metabolites. This is the metabolism of the opioids. Now, excretion. What is excretion? In general pharmacology, we have know about these all definitions of the agonist, antagonist, partial agonist, full agonist, efficacy, potency. So excretion of the opioids are polar metabolites, glucuronides, and unchanged drugs are excreted by the kidneys. and some amount of also excreted by bile and enterohepatic circulation. Now, mechanism of action is morphine acts on its receptors mu, kappa, sigma, and delta. In mu receptor, responsible for analgesia and respiratory depression. In kappa receptors, responsible for analgesia, sedation, and meiosis. And in sigma and delta for euphoria, hallucination, and cardiac stimulation. They are present on membranes of the certain cells in CNS, nerve terminals in periphery, and gastrointestinal tract. Acts on these receptors and causes decreased neuronal excitability by decreasing the neurotransmitter release. For example, substance P modulate perception of pain by raising the threshold of neurons involving transmission of the pain. Opioid receptors form a family of proteins that physically couple to G proteins, by which they modulate intracellular calcium ion disposition and alter protein phosphorylation. Number one, closes voltage gated calcium ions channels on presynaptic nerve terminals, thereby reduce transmitter release. Hyperpolarize and thus inhibit postsynaptic neurons by opening calcium ion channels. Now, relation of the physiological effects to receptor type. Majority of current available opioid analgesic act primarily at the mu receptors, analgesic, euphoriant, respiratory depressant, and physical properties of the morphine results from action on these receptors. Levetiracetam has high affinity for the delta receptor and dynorphin for the kappa receptors. Now, receptor distribution and neuronal mechanism of analgesia. All three major receptors are present both on spinal cord pain transmission neurons and on the primary efferent that relay the pain message to them. Opioid agonists inhibit the release of excitatory transmitters and they directly inhibit the dorsal horn pain transmission neurons. They also evoke the release of endogenous opioids. Endogenous and exogenous opioids can What do you mean by endogenous and exogenous? Endogenous and exogenous opioids can also produce opioid-mediated analgesia at sites outside the CNS. Now, tolerance and physical dependence on repeated administration of the morphine, there is gradual loss in effectiveness. That is the tolerance. Along with tolerance, physical dependence develops. Current concept is a upregulation of the cyclic adenosine monophosphate or a downregulation and recycling of mu receptors. Morphine type of the drug is the prototype drug. Morphine, it relieves pain. Its action as analgesia. It relieves pain and is effective in superficial and visceral both types of the pain by raising the pain threshold perception, alter the response to pain, blocks the impulse between thalamus and cortex. In euphoria, morphine produces a sense of the emotional well-being termed euphoria. In sedation, drowsiness and clouding of the mentation are frequent effects of morphine. Respiratory depression, morphine depresses the respiratory center in the medulla. Therefore, sensitivity of the respiratory center to carbon dioxide is reduced. Morphine action is cough suppression, a well-recognized action of the morphine, but this causes to accumulation of the secretions, which leads to airway obstruction and atelectasis. In meiosis, pinpoint pupil biostimulation of the mu and kappa receptors, which enhances sympathetic stimulation to eye. This pharmacological action to which little or no tolerance develops. Truncal rigidity, it results from action and supraspinal levels. Nausea and vomiting, activating on chemoreceptor trigger zone. In CVS, most opioids have no significant direct effect on heart. Mepridine has antimuscarinic action, result in tachycardia. When CVS is stressed, hypotension results. ECG is not affected. When respiratory depression occurs, PCO2 rises, then cerebral vasodilation occurs and increase intraocular pressure. Constipation due to decreased motility of the smooth muscle and increased tone. Biliary tract contract smooth muscle results in biliary colic. Sphincter of the body may constrict, resulting in reflex of biliary and pancreatic secretions and elevate plasma amylase and lipase levels. and renal decrease due to decreased renal blood flow. Mu receptor has anti-diuretic action, enhances renal tubular sodium reabsorption, increase bladder sphincter tone, causes urinary retention, worsen the ureteric calculus colic. Uterus prolongs labor may be decreasing uterine tone. In neuroendocrine, stimulate the release of ADH, prolactin, somatotrophin, but inhibit the release of luteinizing hormone. 7. Pruritus due CNS effect and release of the histamine produce flushing and warming of the skin, causes sweating and itching, induces pruritus and urticaria. Number 8, miscellaneous. The opioids modulate the immune system by effects on lymphocyte proliferation, antibody production, and chemotaxis. Clinical uses of the opioid analgesics are analgesia, severe and constant pain, pain associated with the cancer and other terminal illness, obstructive labor, acute severe pain of the renal and biliary colic, painful myocardial ischemia, cough, diarrhea, acute pulmonary edema, application in anesthesia. The side effects of morphine is severe respiratory depression, nausea, vomiting, tolerance, physiological and psychological dependence, dysphoria, mental clouding, allergic reaction, itching, bronchoconstriction, increased intraocular pressure, urinary retention. Contraindications are impaired hepatic or renal functions, head injury, bronchial asthma, hypotension, emphysema during delivery. Depression action enhanced by enothiazine. Monoamine oxidase inhibitors, tricyclic inhibitors, analgesia enhanced by amphetamine. Morphine is full agonist. Now nepridine. What is the site of action? This drugs bind primarily to the mu receptors. Synthetic opioid used for acute pain mainly binds with the kappa receptors. Respiratory depression, intravascular decrease, intravenous decrease the peripheral resistance, dilate cerebral vessels, increase CSF, contact smooth muscles, impaired GI motility, dilate people like atropine. Now describes the adverse effects of mepridine. These are the tremors, muscle twitching, convulsions, severe hypotension, pupil dilation, neuroleptic enhanced depression, monoamine oxidase inhibitor causes convulsions, hyperthermia. Methadone. What is the effects and greatest action on the mu receptors? Methadone synthetic orally effected has strong analgesic action, also causes constipation, used for withdrawal of heroin, metabolized in liver and excreted by the urine. Methadone, what is the therapeutic use of the methadone? Narcotic detoxification because of its long half-life. Methadone can prevent an addict from suffering severe withdrawal symptoms as the body normalizes. Fentanyl. It's 80 times more analgesic potency with dark produce dissociated anesthesia, and it is the synthetic opioid agonist. Activate the mu receptors. So, how is fentanyl used therapeutically for anesthesia alone or in combination with doperidol for chronic and post-operative pain? And route of this drug is intravenous or transdermal. And the side effects of this drug is apnea, hypoventilation, CNS depression, and muscular rigidity. These are the adverse effects of the fentanyl. Now here, produced by acetylation of the morphine due to greater lipid solubility cross blood-brain barrier, so causes severe euphoria, convert to morphine body, no accepted medical use. So what are the pharmacological properties of the heroin? Heroin is hydrolyzed into morphine and therefore has properties similar to the morphines. Heroin is, however, more lipid soluble and crosses the blood-brain barrier more quickly than dose morphine. This is not accepted medically used. Alternate agonist profixifen is derived from derivative of the methadone dextroisomer used as analgesic. Levoisomer used as antitussive, well absorbed orally, produce nausea, vomiting, anorexia, constipation. Toxic doses cause respiratory depression, convulsions, hallucinations, cardiotoxicity, pulmonary edema. So, inshallah, in next lecture, we will continue the other part of the other portion of the opioid analgesics. Your test will be on 18th of the August. The topics of the test is drugs used in hypertension, drugs used in angina pectoris, drug treatment of the cardiac failure. इंशाल्लाह आज आपको जो असाइनमेंट मैंने लास्ट टाइम दी थी उसकी लास्ट डेट है, प्लीज सब वो आज सबमिट करवाएं. इंशाल्लाह we will meet again on next lecture. Thank you very much.